All right, we have some big breaking news coming in. Indian boxer Lovlina Borgohain loses the semi-final bout. Lovlina's Olympic campaign ends with a bronze medal. Big breaking coming in. Indian boxer Lovlina Borgohain loses the semi-final bout. Lovlina's Olympic campaign ends with a bronze medal. Lovlina loses to world champion Busenaz Sürmeneli from Turkey in the last four. Third Indian boxer to win a bronze medal at the Olympics. Well, the feat is incredible. Lovlina Borgohain loses the semi-finals but clinches a bronze medal for India. She loses the semi-finals to world champion from Turkey, Busenaz Sürmeneli, in the last four. And Lovlina now becomes the third Indian boxer to win a bronze at the Olympics and currently the third athlete to bring back a medal for India, the third woman to bring a medal for India. What glory that she's brought for the country indeed, and her hometown Assam. People who are glued to their screens watching Lovlina perform at the semi-finals. Unfortunately, she lost to a very dominating Busenaz Sürmeneli in the last four. Third Indian boxer to win the bronze at the Olympics. Lovlina Borgohain now brings back a bronze medal to India. Siddhant, Lovlina, like you said, has lost the semi-finals. What really went wrong in the game? What did you see? Was she in form? Was Busenaz, the world champion, overpowering to a point where Lovlina could not tackle her in time?
Well, Nabila, today's fight was a little different from what happened in the quarterfinals. When Lovlina faced Chen Yanqing, the Chinese Taipei's boxer, the 2018 world champion, you saw her that she dominated that fight right from the beginning. She was punching, she was punching really well, and those punches like the uppercut and everything was falling in place for Lovlina during the quarterfinals. But we knew beforehand that this semi-final is going to be tough because Busenaz Sürmeneli has won both her rounds before this by a 5-0 margin. That means sheer domination in those two knockout rounds before this. So we knew it's going to be tough for Lovlina, and as we know, as we saw, that Sürmeneli was too tough and too powerful for our Indian boxer. But nevertheless, it has been a great journey for Lovlina, considering how she started with martial arts. She was learning Muay Thai in 2012, and from there, when the Sports Authority of India coaches first saw her and got her into boxing, to her journey till now, she has won the bronze medal at the World Championship in 2018 and 2019, where, of course, Sürmeneli won in 2019. The World Championship final. So for us, it's a disappointing end because the day was going really well for India. Right from Neeraj Chopra's javelin throw, where he qualified for the final, to the two Indian wrestlers, Dahiya and Punia, both qualifying for the semi-finals in the event. This is sort of like a disappointing end for Lovlina, but of course we got to celebrate this result because she has done really well to reach this stage. Only the third Indian boxer after Vijender Singh and Mary Kom to win a bronze medal for the country.
Well, what a pride this is. This is also the third Indian woman from the Olympics this time to bring back a medal for India. Women all the way, bringing glory to the country.
Of course, Nari Shakti, as I've been talking about it for the past 1 week, has been dominant. Not just this Olympics, from 2016 also. The two medals that we won in 2016, one was won by PV Sindhu, the silver medal after she lost to Carolina Marin, and then Sakshi Malik in the repechage round in her wrestling event won the bronze medal. So
all right, stay with us, Siddhant. I'm going to cut across to Ashutosh. She's speaking with Lovlina's father, proud father.
ब्रॉन्ज में ही रुक गया, तो ये तो ऊपर वाला का मर्जी है, क्योंकि खेल का बात है, मैदान पे कौन कितना पावरफुल है. तो मैं सोचता हूँ उनका ब्रॉन्ज में ही अभी रुक गया, ये उनका भाग्य का. ये
आपने मेरे इंटरव्यू में बताया था कि आप लाइव मैच नहीं देखते. आज आप लाइव मैच देख रहे थे?
नहीं देखा.
आज भी नहीं देखा?
आज भी नहीं देखा है, क्योंकि मैंने मैच आज तक नहीं देखा है उनका, लेकिन आज तो वो हार गया बोलता है.
आप लेने जाएंगे गुवाहाटी एयरपोर्ट पर, स्वागत करने जाएंगे?
जरूर जाऊंगे. गुवाहाटी जाएंगे. अभी ठीक है, थैंक यू.
अभी आज के लिए सबसे बड़ा दिन अभी तक का क्या रहेगा? आज कैसे दिन बिताएंगे? अभी बात करके बेटी के से सबसे पहली बात क्या कहेंगे?
नहीं, अभी उनका अभी दुख हुआ है, उनका सपना था वो गोल तक जाएंगे, लेकिन वो कर नहीं पाया, सेमीफाइनल में हार गया। तो उसका साथ आज तो बातचीत कर नहीं पाएंगे, क्योंकि अभी वो दुख में होगा। बाद में हम बात करेंगे उसका क्या कमी है, कहाँ उसका वो दुर्बलता है, हम उसका साथ बातचीत
हौसला कैसे देंगे बेटी को?
व्यक्ति कह रहा है कि उन्होंने पदक जीता है, आप इसे हार क्यों देख रहे हैं?
नहीं, पदक तो जीता है, वो ब्रॉन्ज पदक जीता है, लेकिन उनका सपना था। मेरे लिए तो ये सपना काफ़ी है, मेरे लिए तो वो ओलंपिक में खेलना काफ़ी है, लेकिन वो पदक ब्रॉन्ज तक गया। उनका सपना था वो गोल तक जाएंगे, लेकिन वो सपना पूरा नहीं हुआ। तो क्या कहूँ।
टिकेन साहब कैसे हौसला देंगे बेटी को? अब वो लौट कर तो आ रही हैं।
हाँ, वो जो जितना है उसका दम उतना ही उसमें रुकना चाहिए। अभी उनका ब्रॉन्ज मिला,
शुरू में बहुत अच्छा खेला उन्होंने।
हाँ, शुरू में तो खेला था। आज आप लोग देखे क्या जाने, मैंने तो नहीं देखा क्या हुआ, लेकिन उनका तो ब्रॉन्ज में ही उसका रुक गया, तो क्या करेंगे।
अब घर वापसी के लिए जश्न होगा, तैयारी करेंगे कोई स्पेशल?
स्पेशल तो होगा ही, वो ओलंपिक खेला है तो जरूर ये क्या है उसका, तो हम लोग तो उसको तो स्वागत करेंगे जरूर। थैंक यू।
तो ये आपने सुना लवलीना के पिता को, टिकेन बरगोहाई, और दुख नहीं है इस बात का, फक्र है। बेटी ने ओलंपिक खेला, देश के लिए एक पदक सुनिश्चित किया, और जब एक पदक सुनिश्चित कर लिया है, ये देखिए ये जो जमावड़ा है, लगातार इस गांव में दूर दराज तक पहुंचना भी मुश्किल होता था, लेकिन आज जमावड़ा है, वीआईपी लोग आते हैं, आम लोग आते हैं, खास लोग आते हैं। जहां साइकिल नहीं पहुंच पाती थी, देखिए चमचमाती हुई सड़क अब तैयार की जा रही है। तो इतनी सारी तैयारियां, गाँव के लोग, छोटे छोटे बच्चे, ये तमाम सारे लोग। आप क्या कहते थे लवलीना को?
दीदी।
आपने मैच देखा?
देखा।
वो तो, लेकिन मेडल तो मिलेगा।
हाँ,
खुश हैं आप उनके लिए?
हाँ, बहुत खुश हूँ।
दीदी आने वाली हैं, कैसे वेलकम करेंगे? दीदी के लिए क्या लेकर के आएंगे?
दीदी के लिए हम गुलदस्ता लेके
आएंगे।
हाँ।
So, Nabila, you know, these all young friends have been waiting for the results that, you know, when she wins, or even if she doesn't, at least one medal has been ensured for the country. And look at all the villagers here. They all have been waiting very curiously what is going to happen next. And that's now when we have the results, there is no sense of embarrassment or disappointment at all here. The people feel really, you know, that's Lawlina is pride of Assam, pride of India, and these villages. In a minute, it's going to be flooded with the people.
This is such an incredible achievement there. I remember her father saying that she would practice by lifting gas cylinders. That's the kind of practice she had, barely any infrastructure, no support, no backing. Father came from a very humble background. For a woman like that to have achieved this feat, it's nothing short of incredible. If you can take us through exactly what the sentiments of those people in Assam currently are. Have they always known Lawlina to be an achiever, known that she would one day achieve this feat, bring glory to India?
Well, ever since she started playing, and remember before she came into the boxing in later in year of 2012, during the first round of selection by the SAI, she was into the Mathai boxing, which is a Thai technology of boxing, where you use all your knees, hands, thighs, parts of body. And the first selection when she played, I spoke to her coach, the first coach, Prashant. He says that was a phenomenal performance in Kolkata, because that was first when you restrict yourself only using on this punching area, the arm into the boxing. And when she was the first time when she won gold, and that perhaps was anticipation that she's going to really shine bright in the coming days. So several medals, because I've seen a cupboard full of medals, certificates, all, and that's exactly why people say that maybe this could be one loss. There will be further several matches, Olympics and several other such events, and this is not a moment of disappointment at all. In the Olympics, she has got one medal. Maybe in next, she will win gold.
Undoubtedly, and possibly this is just a start. But Ashutosh, I'm going to come back to you right after a short break. We want to hear voices there from her family members, from those friends and family. Well, history beckons Indian women's hockey team as they take on Argentina in their first ever Olympic semi-finals. A win today will assure a silver medal. More on that on the other side of a short break. Do stay with us.